I'm Raymond Taylor, and I'm going to show you how to create a freedom-based online coaching business from scratch.
So this is going to be a quick one. 3 things you can do to make more money in your business. And that is acquire more customers, upsell those customers, and retain those customers. And let me break that down in a little bit more detail. By acquiring a customer, I mean getting a new customer through the door. And you can do this through various ways. Through selling on social media, by running ads, by doing outbound lead generation, by doing a referral scheme, many ways, having a podcast. You could endlessly list the different ways to acquire customers, and that's going to be a video for another day. So first of all, you need more customers coming through the door. But then when you get those customers, you can make more money by selling them more things for more money. So you can put your prices up. Now I see a lot of coaches that are in the game for a long time who are scared of putting their prices up. And it's quite an interesting paradox because you can double your prices sometimes and get double the amount of clients. And you might think, how does that work? When you double your prices, the perceived level of value of your product increases. Now I'm not saying that you charge extortionate rates, but I am saying sometimes that if you're finding that your business isn't profitable and you're bringing on lots of new customers, but with all your overheads and all the time you're putting in, you're just not finding yourself in a financially abundant position, then you might find that increasing your prices is quite a quick and easy way to make more money. And going from charging $1,500 for a 3-month coaching program to $3,000 for a coaching program might make your product seem more valuable and also double the revenue in your business overnight. You might also decide to sell extra things with your coaching. So when you're selling your coaching, you could say, and I've also got a retreat coming up in January that I think you'd be a perfect fit for, that I'd love to talk to you about. So you upsell, sell them something else, something more. You know, this happens all the time, even when you go into like petrol stations, right? And you're filling up your petrol and you buy your receipt and you know, by the counter there's chocolates and sweets and things and you're like, oh yeah, I'll take a pack of those while I'm here as well. That's upselling. So try and think about what else could you offer your customers, because if they're saying yes to your coaching, that means that they trust you, they've built a relationship with you, they want to work with you. And if they've said yes to that, there's a strong chance they might say yes to something else. Not everybody will, but someone might. So think about increasing your prices or selling something more, and that's upselling. Now the last one is retention. And retention is essentially maintaining that customer, keeping that relationship and continuing to sell things. Because the excitement levels and the engagement levels of your customers will naturally decline, especially after they finish your program. So if they finish your coaching program, they might go off into the world and start working with somebody else or not speak to you ever again and forget about you. The idea is to keep that customer engaged. Have a community, for example, like a Facebook group where you can keep in contact with your customers and have them all in one place. Regularly stay in contact with them. Send them emails. Keep them engaged so that you can sell them other products that you might create, whether or not they already exist and it's, you know, sending them to the next stage of your sales journey, or whether or not it's something entirely new that you want to sell. But those are really the 3 core components. Getting more people through the door, acquiring customers, is going to make you more money. Upselling those customers by selling them more things at the time of sale or for more money is going to make you more money. And retaining your customers for a longer period of time and keeping them engaged so they're still active buyers, so they continue to buy other products or buy new products that you launch, is going to make you more money. Those are the 3 things in this video anyway that I want to discuss today about making more money immediately in your coaching business.
I'm Raymond Taylor, and I'm going to show you how to create a freedom-based online coaching business from scratch.